Ladies and gentlemen, please have him with a big applause to the stage.
Hello, everyone. First, I would like to thank Lon for the very passionate speech and also for the organizer for inviting Pundi X to Korea. Once again, it's our privilege to come here. In fact, some of us might know that actually Pundi X has a huge connection to Korea. Our first event outside of our home base is actually in Korea. And starting from October last year to now, we have received a lot of attention and also support from Korea. So it's really very exciting to come back here again to Seoul and to share what we have done and also our objective of giving and trying to get cryptocurrency around the world and also to the high streets where merchants can use us. So a little bit about Pundi X. We started years ago as a fintech company in Indonesia. And then since then we have grown quite a bit. Our Pundi X division has actually eclipsed our actual current operation. And now we actually have 7 offices around the world and also more than 150 staff working on the Pundi X project, in which we are very fortunate that more than half of us are actually engineers. We have also done a fairly successful ICO, and we have grown quite a bit from our cap of 35 million raised to today's progress. So I'm just curious that is there anyone here that holds Pundi X token? Well, thank you very much. And let me just share with you our progress that we have done throughout the several months. We have been very, very hard at work, as hardworking as we were during the ICO. So our motivation is actually the democratization of the monetary system. So what does this mean? There's a lot of great projects out there, but when we started our blockchain project, we asked ourselves, how many people actually own cryptocurrency? I guess in this room, the percentage would be 90% or even close to 100%. But in actual fact, less than 1% of the world actually owns cryptocurrency. So I think we are at the forefront whereby we are the game changer, every one of us here. But I think for cryptocurrency to actually become a mass product, we also have to bring people, more than that 1%, into the sphere. So this is our objective, to bring the next billion people to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So we did a study a while ago, and these are targeting people that are smartphone enabled and also tech savvy. So this is the sample size that we use, which is 3,000 people doing the research together with Stellar and also NEM. So we realized that even among very tech savvy people that have smartphones, that are very educated, these are the breakdowns that we have. For example, in Japan, there's only on average 10% of people who have cryptocurrency, despite the fact that everyone is saying the economy is very well educated and also has a lot of Bitcoin. So this is the reality, which is we are actually the privileged people, but how do we get another 1 billion people to own cryptocurrency and to make cryptocurrency really mainstream? So then we went on and took another sample size, which is over 1,500 people. And we realized that, yes, the number one is actually for investment and for trading. This we all know. But the second one is actually to make purchases. So there is actually a real demand to use cryptocurrency for daily purchases, online or offline, coffee or your car or high value items. So, and then we look at how this merchant perceive this. We look from one side, which is the public. The public really want to use cryptocurrency to make purchases. So then we ask the question on the other side, which is the merchant. Do merchants really want to accept cryptocurrency? And the answer is actually a resounding yes. Merchants do want to accept cryptocurrency. The problem is how and when. So, our motive, our objective is actually to allow buying and selling of cryptocurrency and also using cryptocurrency to purchase a bottle of water. It should be as easy as buying anything when you step into a convenience store. Hence, we brought to you our Pundi Expos, which many of you have seen. And in fact, we rolled out our first real-life use case in Hong Kong last week during the RISE conference. And we are very fortunate and we felt very good that the activation rate of the cards were actually more than 70%, which means that people that actually held our Pundi Express card actually went to the locations to purchase beer and drinks and coffee. So this is a device that we've demoed, and this is the device that we are bringing to the world. We are shipping 5,500 expos this month to many locations in the world, including Seoul. So, what's the specialty about this expos? One is it behaves like a traditional POS plus the ability to buy and sell cryptocurrency, which means that it supports traditional credit card payment system, it supports Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, and it supports any kind of crypto card which connects to our API, which means that we are actually solving a very fundamental problem, which is the inability for crypto cards to work today, because many crypto cards are beholden to the traditional credit card payment system. So if that company says no, or that two companies says no, all the crypto cards doesn't work. So we want to be able to give all the crypto cards another solution to work, which is our Expos device. So we ourselves have a Pundi Express card, and it comes with QR code payment and also all the traditional payment processing ability that you know. How does it work? So these are the 4 elements. We connect to exchange for liquidity providing. The merchants can use the expos to accept payment and sell cryptocurrency. And then the client will be able to pay using a diverse way, including XPass and also other cryptocurrency cards. And of course, we support the traditional payment method. So, cash, crypto, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, MasterCard, Visa, and also mobile wallet all works on the expos. Granted, we also want to be very law-abiding and KYC and AML approved, so we will enable different features in different jurisdictions that we operate in. So, anti-money laundering is one thing very important, so we want KYC support. For those of you who have tried our expos, you know that you can just take a live video or a photo of you through the expos. And also, anti-fraud is one very important thing for us. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's very lucky for us to be in Korea. I think Korea is a huge market to accept cryptocurrency, and we are very lucky to be accepted in this market. So what we did in return is that we try actively to partner with two different players. One is the blockchain company which operate in Korea, and another one, which I think maybe perhaps is even more important, is traditional company in Korea. So last week we signed one of the many things that we have discussed with Korean company, which is a MOU with UB Velox. So UB Velox is the biggest smart card producer in Korea. They are public listed, and we are very fortunate to have Mr. Kim to visit our Shenzhen office. So we have 7 offices, and Shenzhen is one of our R&D office, to actually look at how to roll out smart cards, not just in South Korea, but also globally. So we are very fortunate to partner with a leading smart card company operating in South Korea, and hopefully we can deliver even better quality crypto cards, which is already very good now globally. So this is one. For our friends that follow us, you might know that we are also a big fan of AmCham in Korea. So AmCham in Korea actually are a organization which has many membership, huge American companies that are operating in Korea. So this is another partnership that we are doing. So we are doing a lot of things in Korea. And we are also happy to announce that we have officially set up a Korean office here in the center of Seoul. So our motto is actually from Korea to the world, because I think we benefited a lot from the rise of our value, and we want to repay the community by also partnering heavily with Korean companies and bringing our expos and technological solution to the world. We ship 5,000 devices every month. This is our minimum production capacity. So this is the events that we have done in Hong Kong where crypto is accepted, and also this is another one which we are doing, if I'm not mistaken, in the Netherlands. So, ladies and gentlemen, one more thing that I want to discuss with everyone is that we have a lot of great breakthrough in blockchain technologies. There are great blockchain companies which are rolling out good technologies which has very high TPS and very high throughput. So the question is, who will win the race of blockchain competition? PundiX, with our XPOS and XPass technology, hope to assist different blockchain companies with great technology to partake in the race. What it means is that, what can a XPOS hardware do apart from processing payment? How can an XPOS device also participate in the race of the speed of blockchain? So we are happy to announce that we will go into research to provide hardware technological solution to different blockchain companies in the world, especially companies that are running high-speed blockchain, because we feel that with the support of hardware, we can bring the speed of blockchain to a different level. So what it means is that if today there's a good blockchain company in the world doing a blockchain solution, maybe, or in our perspective, definitely, using the support of 5,000 expos every month that we deliver, there's something that we can help all this blockchain company. We believe that using hardware, decentralized hardware solution, there can be a lot of improvement in throughput, in transaction per second. So I heartily invite all great blockchain companies to support us and to join us in helping you by rolling out our XPOS device so that you can also do transaction verification faster than ever. You can even build nodes everywhere in the world, because come to think of it, maybe a POS device that has strong technical capability is also a functional node for different chain. So this is what we will engage this year. One, which is to continue our R&D research on our expos, whereby we are strengthening our recruitment. Second, we want to cooperate with more Korean companies, both blockchain and also traditional merchant and also public listed company, as we have done with UB Velox and also many more to come. And thirdly, I think that is very important, which is in the race of blockchain speed, we hope that what we will roll out in the coming months will be a way for us to join the blockchain competition and to help current blockchain company to operate even faster. Because what the solutions that we are looking right now are mainly software solution and hardware building on top of the software solution. So we want to be the hardware solution for different blockchain companies, whether you are running your own tokens or whether you are running a full node blockchain. We think that using a strong hardware solution that is verified to be secure and strong, maybe your blockchain can be even faster than ever, and we feel that we can be helping, not just bringing cryptocurrency to the next billion people, but also making the blockchain revolution even faster. So thank you very much, and if there's anything, we can talk by the side. Thanks again. Thank you.
Thank you very much.